Ground ball, second base. Off the bat of Michael Morse. Zobrist throws him out. And a cut and a miss. Well, how about that? He got it. Struck him out with a fastball at 98. And strike three call. They got him. Cutter.
Bouncing ball. Murphy. The Nats are going to win the series. And for Enny. High fly ball to left. Jason Worth is under it now. It might be Taylor's ball. The wind blew it over to Michael A. Got the runner picked off. Zimmerman to Turner. 1-3-6. Target away. 2-2 pitch. Got him. Campbell. Runner going. Swing and a miss. Enny Romero. Leadoff walk and then boom, boom. Got it. Fastball up. Left side. How about the double plays this weekend? Nets have won 3 in a row in New York. Guides it to the left side. Turner to Murphy. 6-4-3. Enny Romero. There's a grounder. Murphy, Turner, bang! Got them both. Swing and a miss on 100. 1-2 pitch. Tapper, right side. Murphy on the charge. The scoop, the toss.
Jersey. Enny Romero with his first major league hit, and it's going to be for extra bases. Dance around those bags, Enny. You got yourself a double.
Look at him turning left.